You're so retarded.
I know. I can't even see you.
I can see you.
Whoa. Yours isn't as stretched out as mine. I'm falling.
It's harder to jump.
Yeah.
Your hair looks amazing.
I keep hitting a light thingy down there.
I know. That's why I'm afraid to do flips. Well, I almost fell.
Create all this energy.
Oh, whoa.
That didn't feel like a minute. How long is yours?
Minute 12, 13, 14.
Ours are exactly the same. A minute 18, 19, 20. Oh, my hair's stuck.
My iPod's about to die.
Oh, wait. I forgot.